Hi everyone, this is Lila, and I'm back for another YouTube video. This time, I am going to be making origami balloons. They look really pretty, and you can put lights in this hole and make them glow. Alright, first things first. To do this, it's most recommended to use origami paper because it's really thin and it's easier to make the folds. But if you don't have this at home, then you can just use a regular piece of paper like this, and you can take it and go like this, and then you cut off this bottom piece and it turns into a perfect square, and you can use that. But really, this origami paper is best. Alright, so my mom taught me this, how to do this, because we are making I think it's like 300 of these for a project for like holiday gifts. So I thought that I could show you guys how to do it. Alright, let's get going. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold it diagonally like this. Okay, make sure those are lined up. It's okay if they're not. You can always just smoothen or flatten it out. Alright, so you're going to open it back up so it's white. Make sure you're always folding it on the white side. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take it, and I already folded it this way diagonally, so now I'm going to fold it this way diagonally. Really try to make sure those lines are like pretty lined up. Okay, so now I have it folded like this, and there are two diagonal lines. So now we're only going to fold it rectangularly once. So we're going to go like this, and make sure it's really lined up, like I said before, and just smooth it out. Press down on those creases. Okay, so now it should look kind of like this. Now we're getting to one of the hardest parts, so watch carefully. Alright, so you're going to see that if you can, with this you can see that there's the lines going through it. That's the part you're going to want to fold in. So you're going to go like this, and you're going to, alright, so it's a little bit hard. So you're going to go like this, you're going to sort of push them in towards the center. And then you're going to go like this, you're going to fold it. Alright. And you're going to keep bringing it down, so really try to line this up. And then you have a triangle like this. Okay, so now it should look like this, and you can see that you kind of opened it like this, and you can, this. Alright, so now it should look like this, like a little pyramid. Make sure you really smooth that down. Now you're going to take this part, and you're going to fold it up towards the center so it's touching this top corner. You're going to push down on that crease. Okay? So now you're going to do that on the other side. Like that. Press down that crease. Alright. Now you're going to do it on this side too. Alright, now it should look like this because you folded it on both sides. Alright, the next part we're going to do even more folding into triangles. We're going to take one side up like this, and we're going to fold it into the center to that middle line. We're going to go like this, and we're going to press down. Alright, we're going to do this on this side, and then you're going to do it on this side. Alright, now it should look like this because we did this on both sides. Alright, the second hardest part is coming up, so pay close attention. Alright, so it looks like this. Now you're going to see one side has a hole, and the other side has like all these flaps coming out. Now you can't use the side with the hole yet. You have to use the side with all the flappy things. Okay? So you're going to take that side, and you're going to bring one down like this, and you're going to pull. You're just going to smooth it out. So you're basically bringing it from this. You're bringing it across and pressing it down right there. All right. So you're going to do it on this side too. All right. So now it should look like this. His little arms. Okay, now this part's hard. So if you can see in here, there's a little like pocket, and you can kind of open it up. So you're gonna take one of the things you folded down, flaps, and you're gonna stick it into that pocket. See, and you're gonna push it down. You can keep pushing it, and then you're just gonna press. So, okay, and do it again on this side. So you're gonna push this down. And then you're going to take this, you're going to open up that little pocket, and you're going to slip this flap into the pocket. And then you're going to push it in. See, push it in, and then you're just going to flatten it down. See? Alright. So now we're going to go do this on this side. Alright, I've folded in the other side, and now it looks like this little guy tucked his hands into his sleeves.
You got it. Exactly. So we have this.
Alright, so now let's go grab a pencil. Okay, we're back with our pencil. Now, if you don't have a pencil, then you can always use something thin that has a tip. Pencils are really good for this. Alright, so remember I told you there's a side with a hole? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to take the pencil and you're going to stick it into the hole. This. You're going to stick it all the way up to the yellow part. You're going to wiggle it around a little bit and make sure all these parts are flat. So I'm going to just press that down a little bit. Alright. Now I'm going to take my pencil out, and you have to do this fast because otherwise it's going to deflate. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to go and blow it up. Alright, so now it's all blown up. I'll do that one more time for you guys. So, let me just deflate it. Alright, it's deflated. You're going to stick the pencil in the hole. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Bring it out. Pull all the sides apart and blow. Alright, you can see that my mouth is going, and I'm really blowing into that hole. So now it should look like this. Alright, that's how you make the origami balloons. I will see you next time in my next video. Lila Ruth out.